I hope you're ready to learn something about essential oils today because I'm here to tell you about doTERRA Spearmint Oil. I'm Larry the Oil Guy and this is Oil of the Day. Now doTERRA sources their spearmint oil from India and it's steam distilled from the whole plant. And spearmint is a perennial plant, usually grows about 11 inches to 40 inches tall. And it's best known in gums, candies, and in dental products because of its minty taste. Okay, so here's a few great uses for spearmint oil. Great oil to diffuse because of its minty aroma. So bad odors in kitchens, bathrooms, set that diffuser up, put a few drops of spearmint in there and let it go. If you have indigestion or nausea, good to go ahead and put a drop of spearmint on your hand, rub it on your belly, and it really will relieve that indigestion or nausea if you're feeling a little like you got an upset stomach, things like that. You don't want to smell minty like that. You can always put it in a veggie cap and put a couple drops in there and take it internally too. If you're feeling overheated on a hot summer day, put a drop of spearmint in your hands, rub them together, put them on the back of your neck, and it'll cool you down, and it'll feel so refreshing. And of course, when you've had that meal with a little bit of garlic, go ahead and take a drop of peppermint on the tongue and freshen up that breath. So those are some really good uses of spearmint oil. If you have a good use of spearmint oil I didn't mention, go ahead and drop it in the comments below because it's really fun to hear those. And of course, if you like this segment of Oil of the Day, please hit that like button. It gives me a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about doTERRA essential oils or how you can get them, go ahead and visit our website. Our website is allinonoils.com. So that's allinonoils.com, and you can contact us there. So until next time on Oil of the Day, I'm Larry the Oil Guy saying thank you and take care. Bye-bye.